Hey there, Trojans. Mrs. Payne checking in. All right. So I like to point out the vocabulary first because the vocabulary has some good information. I like to put a tab or something on mine because I will refer back to this often, as you will learn. All right. So what we are using from the vocabulary page, first of all, today is this function, not a function. So no cheater, repeater, x's. If you are looking at a function and you look at coordinate points, you can see the x is cheating. You do not care about y, 4, 5, 6. None of those are cheaters. But then let's go ahead, look. 5 is going with 7. 5 is going with 9. That x is a cheater. So that is not fun. That just shortens up for not a function. Let's go ahead and apply that thinking to our vertical line test. Okay, let me see if I can move this box. I obviously cannot. Let's try with the mouse. Oh, there it goes away. Thank you. All right, so now let's go ahead and look at function, not a function. Now, this tells you about the vertical line test, okay? The notes at the top of this page, which is page 2. Let me see if I can scroll up. Sorry, guys. Page 2 is titled Vertical Line Test. So what a vertical line test means is that if you draw a vertical line, it only touches that function that's drawn one single time. It means that if it touches it once, there's no cheating repeating x's. So like on this one, they have this V drawn, and when they draw a vertical line through, it only touches here where this is 2, 2. It doesn't matter because over here it would be like negative 2, 2. Do the x's repeat? Nope, they don't. So yes, that is a function. When you look at this one and they drew the red vertical line through here, and I like to label my points because it helps me tie back to my vocabulary about my x's cheating. Okay, so this is negative 1, 3, and this is negative 1, negative 3. Look at this x value. This x value repeats, so it's cheating. The quick way to look is, does this line touch what's drawn on the graph twice? Okay, not a function. So here, it only goes through once, function. Here, it goes through twice, not a function. I want you to go ahead and work through the questions that are coming up in this video and answer 1 through 4. All right, so now welcome back. If you looked and you said there are no cheater repeaters on number 1, you would be right. On number 2, this vertical line touches it twice, not a function. And on number 3 starts to look good, but when you come over here, you can see this in fact touches 1, 2, 3 times. That is a cheater, so not a function. And let's go ahead on number 4. When everything's spread out like that, I make long vertical lines, or I go ahead and I list my coordinate points. And I can see whether you list out the coordinate points or you draw your long vertical lines, they almost got us. On this last section right here, it cheats. So that is not a